Okay, so YZ ngithe mangivexeni ngabona ikasi rap i1 wadis bomb rapper bayabhimba le track belivering zwering ingoma sigcwele ngabomb rapper labathanda ukubhifa especially ukwa VK vele kwempumpuso that is why kungaboni ukuthi ikasi ka Louis ngoma favorite yamasimba ubanga msinde emic okwenkomo elahlekele lithole ntwana ngerapper ngeke usungikhona ngizokudisa uzungizona don't worry mina nawe udlalela ekhanyeni one day siyobonana ngufuna ku rap battle anginoyikhohlwa nale nje strat who the fuck is that PK welele wamasimbi nje fana nekati bese sekuba ngilokwa Jesu ukuthi ngengwenya kodwa kusaba amanzi mina ke kumrap ongangithusa ngisho nani ubuphethe igano witchcraft wena break imikhosa nebube ngathi ungusomoto nemtimbo miso we roll on ke uklema ukuthi uyiscore ya wena fuseka ungaso sport iswayizeth baba yeah sure listen lalela sure I'm a gasi rap god ile gaming fan Oscar Pistorius ngigijima ngetinsimbo kwe cyborg I'm done playing games lo mnyaka ngihlupha umlilo ngispeed umlilo nje dragon yeah god inkelben nami ngibreak record cause mangibreak angicola I'm like a motherfucking crazy dinosaur my name is YZ bangizondele khono lami that is why inhloso yabo kungibona ngiboda okwe shongololo bathi lembongola inafokolo kodwa iphuthu simokolo skill tololo phela mbono lo I'm the best rapper ever ungumuntu akamcabi YZ I'm like a devil mangiphethe for rock nigga pause ngoba ngiyahlaba the chrome photo synthesis I don't know why maybe it is because I process the streets don't get indlebe tabo dikim that is why bonke bevangam all eyes on me cause ngize people up with that spirit so ngazi ngiyamhlinza wabayizi ngiyakuphinza sami style sabiza so I'm the one I bring light in no career I'm a rap god ngithola khona wonke umuntu uguqa ngamadolo nigga you face me face ingozi my name is YZ ufune beef nami I don't care I swear to God lama hinta ngiyakhiphe gaming I'm a greatest rapper ever I am not a ghost writer skills sami singaphezulu kwe role model yakho onke lama beat lenkana nawo ngiyaphoqota ngiyasakata ngiyakikita ngishaya mlando lezi singidubula ngama kick track bavitsita ngegitari kwa desperado le game isetandleni temfene that is why la ngoma sisitulela msangano labanye bathi bangichallenge besho baphethe mahawu netakile labanye bathi bangichallenge besho bakhetha ukuthi boxing nekarate bongoza bangibiza ngoRambo ngoba imbi ngifesa ngiwani ngibasakaza bonke ngebomb la ngihamba khona ngiyadestroy ngishamlot ngenda ngamabomu nine nitenda ngathi ngizonda kodwa makhumil underspoon sami ningasikhoza nihlezi seva kwami njengosathane kule gaming shisalport lama role model enu kimi ngeskill angeke athune nix but ezibalala netinyoka but still bonke ba weak leqiniso lithi vele ngizolikhipha vele ngibele ngispeed yeah sure angibafili nese bonke bantekenteke bacela ubufebe gemina ngengibekele ngifuna ukubadlisa ibife nopelepele my name is YZ nigga I'm too crazy and sengiphumile ejele manje ngikuthebelele kimba ngeke uphumelele nobaba ngathi ukhenhle ngeke uphumulele vula indlebe ngihlebele mina ingebe ayingishaya ngifana noshaka ilembe namanje ngisagida ngejembe this is not a diss track when I break you work so YZ is the king of gasi rap ningangitsheli ngabo Duncan ningangiphapheli ningangibhampeli ningangisukeli ningangigopeli yeah if you make the gaza ngithevele bekade ngilinde so YZ is ready game wafa ama challenges angabalekele ne beef nama get straight ngoba nangilambele phela like semhlabeni ngilwa nempilo my name is YZ ngidoda ngesibambela prefer to die instead of living ngoba ngiyaze ngekubalekela ukufa ngalo kufiwe une win ne lose yothungi kulintele so please akufiwe izwa lapha la ngizakubalekela amagwala mephathi kuthatha kata don't care motherfucker kuthoma kama eni ngoma ngoba kodwa YZ anisoze namnqoba so emi beef nokumixa notshwala khona izonjikela iswini wena simba lentwana competition yakhe secholet njenge tissue wena J Speed nama dreads akho lanuka ngathi mophe asejelo your rubbish believe into the young rap machine is YZ baba